In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Upwork account in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or a newcomer to the gig economy, getting set up on Upwork is a great way to leverage your skills and connect with potential clients. Let's walk through the setup together. First, we need to access the Upwork website. Start by navigating to the Upwork login page. If you don't already have a bookmark, simply type upwork.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button. It's typically near the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will begin the process of creating your new account. After clicking sign up, you'll see a new page where Upwork asks you to select whether you are signing up as a client or a freelancer. It's important to choose the correct option here as it will tailor your account to be more suited for finding work or posting jobs. For our purposes, we're going to click on apply as a freelancer because that's what you would choose if you're looking to offer services. Next comes the essential part, filling out the required information for your account. Be prepared to provide some basic personal information. This includes your name, email address, and a unique password. Make sure your password is strong. Consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Additionally, Upwork may inquire about your skills and areas of expertise. Take your time here as this is your chance to make a good impression on potential clients who'll view your profile later. Once all the information is filled out, double check everything for accuracy. Spelling errors or a mistyped email could potentially delay your account approval. Satisfied with your entries? Excellent. It's time to hit the create my account button. This action will prompt Upwork to send you a confirmation email. Head over to your email inbox to look for a message from Upwork. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam or junk mail folder just in case. Find the confirmation email and click on the link provided within it to verify your email address. After you've confirmed your email, congratulations, your account is now active. You can begin exploring the platform and customize your profile further. Consider adding a professional photo and a detailed description of your services to attract more potential clients. With everything set up, you're ready to start bidding on projects and submitting proposals. So there you have it. A complete guide to setting up your Upwork account in 2025. It's exciting to embark on this journey in freelancing, and I wish you all the best with your new gigs and opportunities. Happy freelancing, and see you in the next video.